Okay, Sagittario and whoever cares. I don't. Wow, you're stupid, Aquario. Gee, Flame's little Terrio definitely isn't gonna win or anything. Well, by golly, he pulled through. I don't know, I'm rooting for, Burn Phoenix. Why? Because I can! I don't even care if he gets updated or not. I really don't care. You know, screw that. I'm not gonna play into the Beyblades game. I'm not gonna get pissed off and start over. No. If you get a same out, I don't care. That's your problem. You're done, son. I'm definitely cutting this part out. Aquario, you suck! Boo! Amy is super hot though, I'll give her that. The massive power is in my hands. They're all in this well, they were for like a split second. Oh! I'm rooting for Phoenix because he's so cool. I think he was one of my first favorite characters in the series because I thought of his cool mask and stuff. I don't care if he's Jinx. Actually, Jinx's dad is pretty funny. I like him. Even though I don't like him as much as Phoenix because Phoenix is cool. I mean, Jinx's dad isn't really cool. He's funny. He turns me on. I didn't say that. The bird of the sky that's on fire just screeching for help versus the horse human thing. Well, that launcher. Oh my god, this launcher is so annoying sometimes. Phoenix, just finish it off. You can do it! He just needs to stay in there. Come on, come on. You're only 1 point away. Don't blow this Phoenix. Oh, I better try to catch him. I swear, if you... Yay! Phoenix wins! He's the replacement member of Gan Gan Galaxy. If the scenario still existed, which it... Whatever, you know? That would be pretty interesting, though, to see Jinga's dad in the tournament. I bet he would torch everyone. Yeah, okay. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm